that scared 18-year-old and 19-year-old me. And the second verse is still scared as fuck, but it's a lot easier to breathe now. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this. This is called Safety Belt. And this is my first time singing on the piano live.
Does it always end like this? Painted walls, now a different shade. Every corner of this house feels like porcelain glass. In a minute it could break. Can the world stop moving? Let the wind take its place. When I'm back to a time when skin feels like skin, when my shoulders feel lighter, every mirror knows nothing more than checking within. But how do we grow older? How did ceilings learn how to talk? How did mirrors learn to mock us? How did doors learn to unlock? How did simple things have double meanings? How will we know if we really learned when we're diving head first? How do you someone know a safety belt to hold? Can the world stop moving? You can count every line in your body, grow out of the shirts that you've liked. Every callous is marked as a lesson in life. Every mistrials and misfires. Every crack in the mirror you decipher is a body you'll only have once, hollowed out with a stare of judgment for the only flesh that keeps you going on. So how do you start over when the brakes don't work anymore? Do you stop and stare at collisions? 'Cause it's better than pretending to know. Why do simple things make you panic? For the fear of making wrong calls. So you dive in head first in the bottom of the ocean with no safety belt to hold.